Call me Mr. Put It On, wear out Roddy clothes, fuck a lot of hoes, do shows, and I do it, yo. YouTube! What's good with y'all boys, man? I know it's been a little minute. It's been like, what, 7, 8 days since I dropped the vid. Today, coming to y'all with a different type of vid, bro. I usually drop, you know what I'm saying, Scat Pack Dave, Hellcat Dave, you know what I'm taking, you know what I'm saying, outrun the Jake, shit like that. But in today's vid, we on my fashionista shit. Fashionista, hope that's how you say it, bro. Drip Lord, all that shit, bro. Today, hold on, we're gonna do the other side. We got us a nice little clothing haul. This ain't all the clothes, hold on. We got some more shit, some hoodies over there too. I got like, I don't know, 10 to 15 pickups for like my spring shit. Also, I had a trip to Germany on Wednesday. Shout out my nigga C Hill, going out there to see my family. So yeah, bro, we doing a little Tron haul, I guess you could say, bro. Pickup haul, whatever you want to call it, bro. So yeah, if y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all like, comment, sub, bro. Let me know how y'all fuck with this type of content, bro. Also, if y'all not already, follow me on the gram, la.davy. What are you doing? Come on now. Hey, chat, let me know. Y'all fucking with the barrels? Y'all fucking with the barrels? Gazer. I ain't gonna lie, when I first got these bitches, boy, them bitches was hurting, bro. I ain't had a retwist in a little minute. So yeah, we back in the game, bro. But y'all ain't finna chat y'all heads off too much. Like, comment, sub. Let's get straight into the first piece, man. Bow! Wait, whoa. Before we get into the video, also, everything that I get in this vid, I will have that shit tagged down below, so y'all won't be like, damn, where'd he get that piece from? Damn, where'd he get it from? Why he ain't tag it? I got y'all, bro. Ain't no gatekeeping in this vid, bro. I got y'all with every single piece. Bow! Alright, first piece in the collection. We start out with these fucking, hold on. We got these shorts from MNML. Minimal, you know what I'm saying? These bitches, they look like this brand called Capital. I always wanted these pants for like 2 years, bruh. But I can't lie, the ones from Capital, them joints like 800. I'm not paying 800 no band for no fucking shorts. So yeah, we got these minimal. These bitches, I can't lie, these hoes tough as hell. Look at the, yeah, got the distressing at the bottom too. These bitches hard. I think we're going to do a little charms in between the years, not at the end of the video. So let's see what these joints hitting for. Boom. Alright, chat, it's come to my attention. Y'all going to have to work with me. Because I don't got no wide angle lens, bro. And I did not know this shit was this ass. Like, y'all cannot even see a nigga full body or nothing. So, yeah, we're going to try to get this shit popping. But yeah, on to the transitions. Him.
Everything that we do is untraceable. Thinking gangster, that nigga's erasable. This bitch listening to too much Beyonce. She really thinks she irreplaceable. Two times this and they sit in symmetrical. I put a ring on my niggas, no marriage. It's more so like we winning every year Super Bowl. From broke to an Emmy was epic. Next year my investments was ethical. They all perks been and walk like it's medical. Said he put up with Runs, it was regional. This withdraw from the bank, it was regional. I might rap on my whips for the seasonal. In my safety they see it's an igloo. I mean igloo, I took her to Noble. Hit your hood and ain't nobody know you. I'm a mogul, I went out of.
Boom! Alright, y'all. Second piece in the collection. We got these, I think they double need like tie-dye pants. I don't know what you call this print for real. I'm still getting into my dripping shit. But yeah, y'all see you got the double knee shit on there. From the same website, MNML, Minimal. Pretty much most of the shit is from there. Well, I'm gonna show y'all all the stuff from this one brand. And then I'm gonna show y'all, I'm gonna just go brand by brand. So everything y'all see in this segment is from the same shit, and yeah, so on and so forth. But yeah, these the second shorts, you feel me? We finna try these hoes on, see what they hitting for, you know what I'm talking about. My so bad she can't even go outside. My so bad she can't even post online. Let me know how y'all fucking with that Cardi album, bro. Y'all fucking with it? Yes, Lord.
My backyard got jet skis in Solana. How you do it? I'm rich and they knew it. How you pour it? 6 in this fountain. Lady dancer, we fuck at the manor. With no manners, she wanna be slutted. In my eyes, she told me I'm handsome. Beat that shit from the back.
Alright, chat, that's gonna wrap up the shorts. I got more shorts on the way, but all the clothes that I was gonna do in this vid have not came in yet. And I ain't gonna lie, I got a little bit impatient, bro. I'm ready to drop this fucking vid, bro. It's already been 7, 8 days since I dropped the vid, so I had to get this shit out to y'all. See, let's get straight into the pants, you feel me? Bah, bah, bah! Now, first pants we got, bro. I can't lie to y'all boys. That shit was so nice. We had to do it twice, bro. Shout out to them boys at Minimal, also Capital. Y'all know what I'm saying? I wanted these pants for a long time, bro. So when I seen a black version in they pants, oh my God. These joints tough as shit. I hope the camera picking up the quality, bro. I don't know what it's called. I hope y'all can see like the lines down this shit, bro. Ah, there you go. I don't know what that shit called. My brother told me earlier, but I don't want to butcher what the shit called, bro. So I ain't even gonna try to guess. But yeah, let's try these joints on, see what they hitting for. I plan to do some crazy ass fits with this joint. Hopefully in between these segments, I'm trying no hella shit. I don't know how I'm editing this video yet. Y'all know it's my first time trying this type of vid. So we just gonna see how it go, bro. Y'all know I spent the band on this camera. I'm finna get to cranking them vids. Fuck is we talking about? But yeah, let's see what these joints hitting for. Yes, Lord.
I paid the ransom. Walk around with the cannon like Samson. I can't speak on that here, call the Samsung. Who did what? Now nobody's singing. Who won what? Pop out with a green gun.
Still the same nigga from back. They win. My dog dropping off at event. Fuck hating, I want no win. I can't go in no church, I be sinning. I kept the 2-piece and thick in it. I'ma split down the middle, the winnings. Cut them off, the cap, he rigging. What? Baby B's, I'm grinning. No CZs, no pretending. Free on my dogs, my blenders. I'm trying to stick out, I don't blend in. Big butts head like Benton. We finna put him on scene and slide on his bitches, a win-win.
Hey! Alright, y'all on to the, what is it, second pair of pants? We got some camo cargos, you know what I'm talking about? We got some camo cargos. They're a little bit distressed on like the pockets and at the bottom and shit like that, you know what I'm talking about? I think this camera angle kinda ass. It might be kinda shit, cause hold on, I don't wanna move it. Cause I'm gonna fuck it up, so I'm gonna just show y'all a picture of what I got my shit on right now. This shit, I'm gonna put on the screen right there. This shit bad right now, bro. Y'all gotta work with me, bro. This is my first time doing this type of vid. So if I'm not giving y'all the best quality, just work with me, bro. Comment down below how y'all can critique this vid, bro. Let me know. But yeah, second pair of pants. Some camo cargos. These joints pretty tough. Let's try these joints on, man. I think they kind of baggy. I don't know. I already had a pair of camos. That's cargos as well, but they faded as fuck. So y'all know we just have to double up on another pair. Shit like that. Yes, Lord.
Top of the morning is very important with Paul before I just snoring. I get the topic she wanna record it, I'll never say no, that's boring. I pop the Molly pill for real, in 35 minutes I'm soaring. Geeked up, my teeth torturing gums, I'm one of the ones. I need a son, I'm tired of teach these niggas who ain't my seed. I know I'm blood, but I'll get head instead whenever you bleed. Top of the morning, baby girl, get up, get out my house. This the crib of dreams, millionaire, sleep on my couch.
You alright? Alright, y'all, to the next pair of pants. We got these black. These are what? Black clip flares, I believe. They like clipped all the way down the, yeah. And they flare like biggie. Oh shit, whoa, we done hit the ceiling fan. Chill out, fool. But yeah. We got these. I don't know how you describe this type of black, bro. It's like faded or something, bro. Grayish, I guess you would say. But yeah, this joint overly trim. We're gonna try these joints on, see how they coming. I'm honestly trying to get more into my bag with this drip shit. So I really just been grabbing pieces, bro. My next piece, y'all gonna see. I just bought these bitches just to buy them, bro. Just to get a little bit more versatile with my bag. Also, comment down below any type of drip y'all think I should buy, bro. Like, if y'all got any brands or something y'all think I should check out, comment them down below, bro. Also, shout out my dogs at Fly Studios. I'm supposed to be ordering a hoodie. Well, I did order a hoodie, but it hasn't came in yet. So, yeah, we just waiting on that shit to do another Tron haul, shit like that. But yeah, get into these pants.
Birds up and flock together, we gon' stick forever. Us, you can spend my cheddar, how you looking better? God, these niggas ain't real,
I done heard it all. Money the root of all evil. Me and my brother Gazals, both of us trying to ball. Bitch chick straight out the streets.
Stop! If you watch this video, you ain't like the vid yet, what are you doing? Like the fucking vid! Back to the pieces. Bow! Ah, shit. Hold on. Yeah, we done with that method. Anywho, hey, chat, on to the next piece. I ain't gonna lie, we got some orange. They kind of the same. Nah, they not the same. I think these suede, bro. These might be suede. I don't know. Hope the camera picking it up, bro. These feel like some suede, bro. Like, these feel like the infrared 6s, if y'all know what shoes I'm talking about. But I caught some orange pants just because I don't wear orange, bro. We just trying to throw it in the, you know what I'm saying? Throw it in our bag. I think I'm going to wear this with, like, some Forces or something. I don't think they flared. I think they just regular pants. Let me check, see if they flared. Hold on, let me check on the website. Alright, bro, so they are flared. They are flared. They don't look flared, but shit, we finna find out in a second. Oh!
Bitch get stuck in 4 walls. Get fucked with, grow up together. Cross me once, nigga don't call me. My ties red like Mitt Romney. I drunk a 6, I'm a zombie at Omni. If I want a bitch, take me serious. I put first class, never sit in economy. Let a right nigga play my name. Gotta set a few boundaries, put them in a blender. East route round in a new Hellcat, out the hood, it's a new 6-cylinder. Big chrome boots with a new revolver, tucking in a Range Rover. Let niggas breathe, but it ain't over. I still gotta fuck them over. Bitch, put it in a pint and walk, but ain't fuck. Why the hell you come over? I'm blessed cause I know a nigga.
Alright, chat, on to our last pair of pants. Hey, chat, if y'all made it this far in the video, comment Nike. If y'all made it this far in the video so far, make sure y'all comment down Nike down below. Last but not least on the pants, we got just some regular back joints. You know what I'm talking about? Can't go wrong with some regular black joints. I don't think I got none that's like just in good quality, bro. I got some fucking faded pairs. So yeah, we got a brand new pair of black pants. You know what I'm talking about? Can't go wrong with the all blacks. Yeah, feel me? Hey, hit the Billie Jean with these hoes.
Nigga play with my name, my dog gon' stand over him. If I find out nigga I fed, people talking about me, then it's game over. 10-12, she get cold shoulder. I'm the nigga that she inviting over. Concrete about to do a takeover. Walk around this bitch like a head soldier. Big white mink, I'm a polar. Ain't letting up like Digiola. Still the same nigga from back. They win. My dog dropping off at event. Fuck hating, I want no win. I can't go in no church, I be sinning. I kept the 2-piece in the beginning. I'ma split down the middle, the winnings. Cut them off, the cap, you rigging. What? Big BBs, I'm grinning. No see.
Alright, YouTube, now we finna get on to the hoodies and shit. That concludes all the pants. So yeah. Hey, everybody sub up. We trying to get 10K subs. Let's get into the first hoodie, man. The first hoodie is gonna be from a brand called, I think it's Volume. I'm gonna have it on the screen and in the description as well. Shit like faded at the top. Lightweight faded at the top and then darker at the bottom. They had this in purple and brown. It also got these little, hope y'all can see them, little gems and shit. Yeah, feel me? This joint trimming hell. Gazer. But yeah, I'm like, yeah, this shit tough as hell. It was either this or the brown one, and I ain't gonna lie. I already got some brown shit in my closet, bro. I'm trying to get a more versatile bag. So I had to go with the purple. Yeah, feel me? We gonna try a different transition with this one. Hold on, let me try something. Oh, damn, okay. This joint overly trim. I see how you coming, bro. Alright, hey. Let me know in the comments how y'all fucking with this hoodie, man. How y'all fucking with the bleach and shit like that. Yeah, feel me? This honestly this might be one of my favorite hoodies now. I don't know. We gonna see how it's coming. I'm fucking with the purple. This shit kind of raw. Purple go with the little gold on the beak and shit. You feel me? Hey, if y'all made it this far, comment Volume. Turn up the bass. Turn up the bass. Him. Alright, chill the fuck out. Alright, now on to the next hoodie. Alright, chat. I forgot to tell y'all this one also from MNML Minimal. We got a black. It's just a black faded hoodie, you know what I'm saying? Just some Yeah, to add into the collection. I ain't gonna lie. When I got this shit in person, it look ass. I'm gonna be real with y'all. Like, when I seen it online, I'm like, oh, this shit look tough as fuck. In person, this shit like a old ass towel or something. And the quality kind of lightweight shit. Like, out of the whole minimum package, all the bottoms was green. But yeah, this hoodie, terrible. This hoodie, the quality fucking great. Thick ass quality. I don't know what the quality is, whether it's cotton or something. But yeah, this shit overly hard. On to the transition though, man. Where the hood at? Where the hood at? Damn, where the hood? Alright, buddy, hold on. Let me... Fuck, I missed. Fuck, how I keep missing? Alright, just do this. Okay. This hoodie might not be that ass. I'll take it back. Ciao, how y'all feel about this? Let me know in the comments down below. How y'all fucking with the... I don't know, bro. I feel like they could have blended these little dots in a little better. That should look a little like... It don't even look like a pattern or nothing, bro. Not my favorite piece, but this is a good little grocery store run, errand run, shit like that. Type T. Think that's about it for the video. Hold on. Let me switch to something I feel a little bit better in. Yes, chat. This is my robe with my name on it. I feel like as a drip lord, you gotta have one of these, bro. That shit just come with the game. You feel me? It just come with it. But hey, if y'all enjoyed this video, bro, make sure y'all like, comment, and sub down below, bro. I love each and every one of y'all that watch this video. We on the road to 10K. And everybody, hold on, before you head out, make sure I comment any ways I could, you know what I'm saying, improve on my quality. Like, if y'all think, oh, make the camera lower, oh, better lighting, anything like that, comment it down below. We try to improve on every single vid. So I need y'all help as well. But yeah, I appreciate y'all for watching. Sub up. Keep God in your life, fuck nigga. Bow! When the best outside look, you better be ready. When the outside look, you better be ready.